Hi, good morning. Welcome all. This is Jagdish Chandran sharing the pre-market analysis. Nifty price action suggests it's a make or break for Nifty. Yesterday's price action was interesting. Nifty in the morning session saw a dip, broke previous low and tested 19,456, consolidated and saw a bounce back to close at 19,630 zones. Nifty strong supports placed at 19,400, 19,300 zones, resistance placed at 19,700, 19,740 zones. Bank Nifty price action clearly indicates weakness. 45,400 remains strong supply area, resistance zones, supports placed at 44,500 followed by 44,250. Today, being RBI policy and weekly expiry, markets to be highly volatile. Are we topped out for now? Is a tough question. We need to watch out for the price action for the further confirmation. Actionable ideas: Nifty sell on rise up to 19,650, 19,680. Stop loss 19,760. Bank Nifty sell on rise up to 45,200, 45,300. Stop loss 45,500. Thank you. Happy investing, happy trading. Take care.